Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday, the day before Halloween. Do you have plans for Halloween? Just curious. The weather is supposed to be beautiful today, tomorrow, through the weekend. And yeah, thank you to Bob Harlan and his weather report. All right, enough Al Roker. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Nicaragua. Simple meal, very flavorful, lots of fun. Basically a dump and run. Just check my note. If you download the recipe, look at my notes, because I added a few things according to the research. I think it added to it. So yeah, try it. It's fun. It's easy. You could use this as a side dish. You could also use it as a main dish like I did, topped with that fried egg and the avocado. So today, the Culinary Expedition is in Yemen. This is a vegetarian meal. It's a simple little, not stir fry, a simple little saute that gets to simmer to marry all those wonderful flavors from the Middle East. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start off with the meat of it, as it were, pun intended. Kidney beans, eggplant, zucchini, and onion. So the rest of it, obviously, kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil for the saute, veggie broth, garlic. Now for the spices: cumin powder, ground coriander, turmeric, cayenne, optional. And this gets finished off with fenugreek leaves. This gets put in the last 10 minutes or so into the braise, into the simmer. So yeah, as you can see, simple ingredients. Basically, all the veggies, the eggplant and the zucchini, get diced. I'll probably go a little bit bigger than dice. You can either serve this with rice or flatbread. I'll probably do both. I got some brand new flatbread in the freezer that I'm just dying to try. Thank you to LA Merchandise. Yeah, I took a visit there yesterday. All right. So on this Thursday, Halloween Eve, as it were, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.